Hello student, now next topic is HCF, that is highest common factor. If I'll ask you, you'll have to find out the HCF of given number, whatever the numbers are given. So there are three methods to find out the HCF of given number. One is common factor method, next is prime factor method, other one is division method. So if you calculate the HCF by using these method, you will get the same result. Okay, so I'll tell you these all three methods with the help of one example. So suppose three numbers are there, 24, 36 and 48. You have to find out the HCF. So first of all, I just do it the HCF by using common factor method. Common factor method, this you have done it in first exercise, how you'll have to find out the factors of a given number. Like first is 24, so I have written factor of 24, initial f 24. So 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 itself. Same way 36 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. That you'll have to check it out by your own. Same way 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. You can do it in a rough column in which tables 48 is coming, so just write down the numbers here. Okay, so now you just check which is the highest common factor in this. If I'll check it out here, 24 is here, but in this 24 is not here. So then before this 12 is there, you have to check in this number also 12 is there in this. So highest common factor of these three numbers, this is 12. Therefore HCF of given number is 12. Next method is by using prime factor method. So that means you'll have to divide a number with a prime number only. So here I have done it, the rough part. 24, 2 is a prime number, smallest prime number is 2. So 24 divided by 2, then again 2, then 2 and then 3. Same way 36, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 48 again 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So I have written here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Same way I have written all three numbers. Then I have to check it out which numbers are common here. First 2 is common, next 2 is common, here 2, 3, 2. 2 is not common, then 3 is common. So I have written here 2 multiply 2 and multiply 3. So this is HCF by using prime factor. Okay, one more way you can do it, you can divide completely. Okay, all together also, like 2, 18, 24, or this way you can do, but this is the method you can follow. Okay, next is division method. Three numbers are there, 24, 36 and 48. So first of all, you'll just check it out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Greater number is 48 and smaller number is 24. So you'll have to divide 48 by 24. You will get remainder 0. Now again the middle one or other number also, it is divisible by 24. Remainder is 12. Then what you'll have to do, then this 24 you'll have to copy it here, and then whatever the remainder is here, you'll have to further divide till there. You'll have to divide when you will get 0. Okay, so here last divisible number is 12, so HCF is 12. Or you can take 48 and 36 in the starting, but greater or smaller or other number also you can take, and this way you'll have to carry on. Okay, thank you.